for them yesterday, sir.
Are you serious?
Shola. Still just went to take care of that. Has gone say.
Heading to Javi, but High Court of the FCT, Nagoripa ide.
High Court of
the FCT.
They really need to do well.
Have you?
Not these things.
Not you.
I think it's African magic.
Try.
I'm not a celebrity.
You are a celebrity, sir.
For what?
Yes, you wanted him to remain at the EFC custody.
I didn't say so.
Okay, but not the correctional center.
I didn't say so.
I wanted him to walk home.
No, I didn't say so.
Okay. But are you comfortable with sir? Are you comfortable with where he's remanded? Thank you so much.
First.
Just 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Okay.
In a bag, in a train in London.
Okay, so are you comfortable that he's the court has remanded him at the Kuje Correctional Center until Monday? Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, so are you comfortable?
Boss.
Because you know someone can take. Sabri, please roll. All right. That's my boy.
You know what happened?
Good morning, sir.
You know what happened?
Yes, sir, but just for the benefit of those who were not here, sir. For the benefit of those that were not here, thank you so much. Okay. Tina. Okay, let me go for her. Okay, are you guys ready? Just a quick one. Okay, so first of all, after the arraignment, the defendant counsel was asking that he be remanded in your custody, and you said that the charges were not as frivolous as they made it. So can you just expatiate on that? And if you're comfortable that he's at the Kuje Correctional Center and not at the EFCC Correctional Center?
You know, as you all watched and witnessed, the defendant has been arraigned, duly arraigned. He pleaded guilty to all the 8 counts charges leveled against him. Naturally, before commencement of trial, the place of abode for him shall be nowhere other than the Correctional Center. And that's the application we made to the Honorable Court. But they desired that the man should just walk home from here, while there is a pending formal bail application that has been filed before the Honorable Court, which we, the prosecution, need to react to. So having gone back and forth, the court made the appropriate order, remanding the defendant in the Kuje Correctional Center, and the matter is adjourned till Monday, when we shall all come back and argue the bail application as it is.
So lastly, sir, there was something that was striking. He was using the word not true, but we're used to hearing the word not guilty. How does that translate?
It doesn't matter. It's the same. It's saying I'm not guilty.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Comfortable that your client has been remanded at the Kuje Correctional Center, because you actually wanted him to go home.
No, I didn't want him to go home.
Okay.
First of all, let me thank you for coming this morning, and let me thank you for also assembling all the cameras to cover this very, in my view, very important trial.
Absolutely.
But then what we asked the court wasn't for him to go home. We wanted to ask the court, and we asked the court that because of his health condition, indeed even the AFCC agreed that he's not well, and because of his health condition, he needs to have access to medical attention. Now, unfortunately, they don't have that at the AFCC. And what I asked the court was to allow that while he's anywhere, whether it's Kuje Correctional Center or wherever he is, that he may have access to medical attention. That's what I asked the court for. And we're happy that the court agreed to come back for this matter on Monday.
Thank you very much, sir.
Is there anything you want to ask me again?
Can we have your full name, sir?
See, now that's the first thing you would have asked me. My name is Patrick Ikweto.
Okay.
I'm a senior advocate of Nigeria, and I'm the counsel with my other colleagues for the distinguished senator and the former minister and former governor of my dear state, Anambra State,
Okay.
Dr. Ngige.
Okay, before you go, can we just ask you one? You had a little challenge with the charge sheet. Not challenge per se, but you felt that it was not so strong enough for it to be here.
Well,
and the EFCC said it was
very strong.
Very strong for it to be here. That would end him 5 years imprisonment. How do you feel about the charge sheet?
Oh, no. The charge sheet, mind you, that, this charge is a matter that has been proved by evidence. But if you see the charges against the former minister, the charges are that he used his position as supervising minister of the NIC-ATF to award contracts to his associates. Now, what I said to the court was that I'm happy that there's no allegation, and this is something that's worrisome in our country. There's no allegation that the former minister embezzled funds belonging to the federal government or funds belonging to the ministry where he was the minister, but that contracts were given to his cronies, or his associates. And then it's worrisome because I know that.
Yes, no.
You are not the rich. If you reach it to heaven.
Nobody has reached level. There still can be.
Okay, so by Thompson, show me one. I'm not gonna like your face.
No, well, I don't want to start doing the case on television. And I'm not talking to you guys because today is Friday, and the first time I'm seeing you, and there's a lot of cameras there. Ordinarily, I don't do my case on TV. When they allege he received a gift from Ngige campaign organization on Ngige Scholarship Foundation, well, I have a foundation myself, and people make donations to my foundation. I mean, I can tell you that we have people who give scholarship under my foundation. So if he has a scholarship foundation, that should be commended, because that is what we need in this country. That is what we desire. He's helping to train people. So if anybody makes a donation to that scholarship foundation, it's not they gave, and you know that the charge is not that anybody gave money to Dr. Ngige, to scholarship foundation, which I'm sure has a board of trustees. You understand that? That's why I say that the charges against him, to my mind, I'm not saying they're not serious. They are serious. They are very serious charges. But then we are living in a country where we must speak truth to ourselves.
Thank you very much.
Any other question?
Baba ire. Omutuma ina. Omutuma to bona. Ati say okay, yes we see.
Why? What is please now? I don't think that they're much there.
Yes, fine. Where you guys?
Where you are is okay. See, she will use body cover me now. See where she is.
I don't blame your ancestors.
Yes. No. Okay, ma, you know what?
Where you are?
Where you are is
What is the matter?
I know why she wants to stay here. She wants to show us her new.
Yes.
I like.
Look for somebody to them people now. We'll follow them out.